This is my friend Marina, and she is making pupusas. She took a small ball of dough, and then after she had made it in a ball, she started forming it into a little bowl or a little cup. And within this cup, she was going to put some filling. Sometimes it's beans and cheese, which it is this time. She's putting beans in, and then she gets some cheese. She also had a spinach filling that she used, and I don't remember what the other filling was. If you've never had pupusas, it's a El Salvadorian dish, and it is very yummy. If you ever get a chance, try some pupusas. So after she put the filling in, she would take it in her hands and she would bring the dough up over it and enclose the filling inside the dough. Then she formed a ball again, and then she started flattening it out, kind of like a tortilla. But this is a tortilla with a filling. So she flattens it out very nice, and I don't know how in the world she got it so round. She did a very, very good job. She said that I asked her how long it takes her to make pupusas, and for the amount of pupusas that she makes, it takes her about 2 hours. And once again, if you ever have an opportunity to eat pupusas made from somebody from El Salvador, give it a try because they are absolutely yummy.